Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Luhu, and today I'm gonna let you in on my picks for the Sephora Spring Savings Event that is going on now. Sephora only has 2 savings events the entire year, and this is the first one, which is why I'm really giddy and really excited about it. And these savings events are organized by the Beauty Insider tiers. So Beauty Insiders are the first tier, and then you have VIB and Rouge. Rouge members get the longest access to the event, starting on April 17th and going all the way to May 1st, and they get 20% off their orders during that time frame. Then we have the VIB members who get 15% off their orders from April 21st to April 29th, and then we have the insiders that get 10% off their orders from April 23rd to April 27th. So now that you know when to shop, let me tell you what to shop based on my personal recommendations. First up is from a clean Sephora brand. It is Henriksen's Fat Glow Facial with PHAs and Nordic Birch Sap. Obsessed would be an understatement when talking about this mask. I use it way more than any of my other ones because the results are amazing, but it's gentle enough to use right before putting on makeup. So I love to use it for days when I have a big day and I'm getting ready. I'll put this on, massage it into my skin, and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off, and then I can put on my makeup and do my regular skincare right afterward. I like to apply a pump on each cheek and one on the forehead. And the formula for this does change as you massage it into your skin. You'll notice it turns from the pink color to a white color, kind of milky looking, and it gets really sticky and stretchy. That's that Nordic Birch Sap coming into play. Next up is Glow Recipes Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. The clean formula is packed with hydrating and soothing nutrients like banana, magnesium, and turmeric to help hydrate and calm the skin. The texture of this cream is really fun too. It has this like jelly souffle-like texture to it, and I like to grab a dime size amount of that to pat into my skin. And now we're gonna get into some makeup with my hero, like I'm talking hero, put a cape on it, foundation. It is Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Invisible Cover Stick Foundation. You will never, ever find my makeup bag without one of these in it. It is just incredible. It's like my go-to ride or die, like I know it's gonna be there for me foundation. I've been using it for over 5 years and it's just incredible. If you love stick foundations and you have not tried this yet, you are missing out. I'm telling you, the liquid form of this as well that Makeup Forever makes is incredible as well. I just prefer a stick foundation. So if you like liquids, I would say try out their liquid form of this as well. But if you're a stick person, go for this. I like to apply this foundation directly onto my skin and then use a foundation brush to buff it and blend it in. But if you prefer a blending sponge, by all means, go ahead and go for it. It blends great with a blending sponge too. We're just nailing all of the classics right now because this next one is another one I've been using for years and it's amazing. It is Benefit Cosmetics RollerLash Mascara. Look, I try different mascaras all of the time. I enjoy it, I really do. But I always come back to my RollerLash, and that is why I call this my wifey for lifey, because nothing else compares to this. It just does everything you could want a mascara to do. It lengthens your lashes, it curls them, it thickens them, and the wand is perfect. Like, there's 2 parts to mascaras, right? There's the formula, which you want to be great, and then the wand, which you want to be great. And this has it all. Next up, I wanted to talk to you all about a product that is amazing that you may not have tried yet, and that is TreStique's Sugar Polish and Plumping Balm Lip Treatment. To me, this is the ultimate package because it's everything all in one. You've got your lip scrub, your balm, and your plumper all in one mess-free, easy place. And last, but certainly not least, I had to put a product in here for all of my curly folks out there, and that is Playa's Endless Summer Spray. Playa is one of the clean at Sephora brands, and this spray gives you the perfect amount of texture without the salt, so it doesn't dry your hair out. and it has a UV protectant in it, so it's going to be perfect for the upcoming warmer months. You can use this spray by misting it into damp hair and allowing it to air dry into perfectly textured waves and curls. And you can also use it on dry hair, which is my favorite way to use it because I love to use this on my second day curls. So my hair is kind of falling flat, maybe some of my curls are kind of losing their oomph. I spray a couple mists of this into it and it brings it back to life. And there you have it, all of my personal product recommendations for the Sephora Spring Savings Event, which I've linked below for you. Happy shopping and happy saving.